akala ko, sorry, direct haba, ano lang, akala ko kasi historical film na narinig ko yung Sinagtala na isasali sa Metro Manila Film Fest. Ano pala, pangalan pala ng isang band. So anong sa tingin ninyong laban ito sa box office na pwedeng puntahan ng mga mahihilig sa banda, pwedeng panoorin ng mga mahihilig sa banda ng mga kabataan? Direct muna, pwede.
Ayan po, si Miss Rose, may sinasabi.
Tita Rose.
Miss Rose, bubulong-bulong mo ka dyan.
Nakita nila bubulong ka sa...
Tayo.
Siguro, with I don't know, with the elements that we have, una-una, but all-star cast. These kids are really popular. Number two, well, hindi siya musical na, alam mo yung pang Broadway musical, ano? So they're a band, they play music, but it's a drama. It talks about life, you know, and it's something very relatable. But as far as commercial elements are concerned, I mean, you have these 5. Sa Instagram followers pa lang ng mga to, ilang million na yan. Pangalawa, yung music po namin, I dare say, we have one of the best musical soundtracks in Philippine cinema history. I dare say that. The music is excellent. And next, I think the story itself is something that you know everybody can relate to, and it's very relevant. And there are a lot of twists and turns in the film as well that people hopefully will talk about. And as long as we get enough people to go in the first day, I think word of mouth kakalat na yan. I think we have all the elements of a good film. And this is my first mainstream film. It's my most commercial film. And I kind of designed it really to be very commercial for a general audience. So I'm hopeful. Yeah, and like I said, what's the biggest draw? My all-star cast and the great musical soundtrack. And what the story, of course, would be is it's very unique. It's so hard kasi parang ayaw magkwento. Pag mapanood nyo lang kasi makikita nyo kung bakit. Ayun. It's good to see you, Barbie.
Yes, thank you, Direk. Sana nga kung hindi nakapasok yung isang himala, baka ito yung sana nakapasok, di ba? Sa Film Fest.
Well, it's
may musical na.
Hindi, very magkaiba yun ha. Yung himala kasi full musical. Ito hindi.
Okay.
Ito, so, banda sila. Hindi, if you remember my film Tulad ng Dati.
Tulad ng
Dati was not a musical. It was about a band. So they played music. Same goes here. They played music. But you don't suddenly break out into song like Himala. Hindi po ganun. At saka, mas maganda natin.
Sige,
yun lang.
May dadagdag ka yan?
Opo. Feeling ko lang, feeling ko kasi nabanggit mo yung Film Fest or may mga iba kong nababanggit na films. Ako, feeling ko, yung nararamdaman ko sa movie na to is it's divinely timed na yung timing is something na makakatulong din sa movie that will help us get more views. Kasi I believe April 2, kakatapos lang yata ng Holy Week nun? Or papunta pa lang sa Holy Week. But I think kasi this is the time of year where we as Filipinos, since it's a Catholic Christian country, we're all looking for our connection. We want to feel more connected spiritually. We go through extra lengths. We go to church. We pray with our family. We fast. So I just feel like there's a reason kung bakit ito yung nakuha naming playdate. Because I think we have something that people will be looking for and that people need to hear. And we really feel that hopefully a lot of people watch this movie because It's touched us individually in so many ways. And even the process of making the movie or writing it or filming it has already saved lives. So I feel like when people watch it, it will probably save more lives. Yeah.
Okay. Gusto mo pa ba ituloy ang singing career mo? Nakapag-record ka na dati. May mga, I understand may mga original songs kang may mga songs na na-compose, di ba? Oo. Kumusta? Gusto mo pa rin ba ituloy ang singing career mo?
Honestly, minsan papitik-pitik lang ako, ganun. Pag trip kong kumanta o pag trip kong mag-record, I've never been able to take myself super seriously as a singer kasi Pilipinas sobrang musically inclined ng mga tao. At saka mas maraming mga tao dyan na mas malaki ang range kesa sa akin. Ako, ito lang yung range ko, tapos alam mo yun, minsan nasa tono, gano'n. Pero, ayun, minsan nga, pag feeling ko may gusto akong sabihin through a song, doon lang naman ako nagsusulat or kumakanta. Na-enjoy ko naman siya, pero I don't know if I'm the type of person that will make a full album. I think a single here and there. And then, not naman for people wanna listen to it, it's okay. But it's not naman din for it to become a craze or anything. Yung parang ako kasi ginagawa ko lang siya kasi I feel like I have something to express. Tapos pag na-express ko na siya, okay na.
Okay ka na. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin, gumagawa ka pa rin ng mga songs.
I haven't written a new song lately, but I'm planning to record just a version of a song that means a lot to me because it's Women's Month. So before the month is over, I want to sing it and release it. Just for fun.
Ano yon? Pwedeng may konting sample. Original ba yun na ginawa mo?
Hindi ako may gawa nito. It's just a song that I love na may meaning lang siya for me. Anong
song? Bakit yun?
Kasi Women's Month.
Ayun lang.
It's a song na when I play it in my room or when I sing it or when I play it in the car, I feel empowered. So, kaya ko siya gusto i-share. Kahit malamang mas magaling naman yung original singer kasi.
Na anong song yun?
I am woman, I am fearless, I am sexy, I am kind, I'm unbeatable, I'm creative. Honey, you can get in line. I am feminine, I am masculine, I am anything I want.
Ikaw na. Ganun talaga. Thank you, Yen. Ay, nice. Medyo emotional ka kanina. Sabi mo baka PMS lang. Baka hindi ka lang aware, baka mamaya may something na dyan.
May something?
Oo.
Hello! Ay, teka lang po. Hindi, pero hindi ko rin alam eh. Pero pagdating talaga sa mga na-witness to ni Direct Mike, nung nag-shooting pa lang po kami ng pelikula, nag-iiyakan na po kami. Hindi ko alam talaga po kung anong meron sa pelikula na to at bakit ako emosyonal. Pero, ayun nga, dahil siguro maraming mga elements ng movie na to na talagang nakaka-relate ako. Kasi katulad ni Rian, yung music din talaga is outlet din po siya sa akin. Kumbaga, sobrang grateful ako na sa industriya na to, nakakagawa ako ng kanta, na-share ko din sa mga followers ko. Pero hindi rin po talaga ako yung tipo ng tao na bumibirit eh. Ang dami ko rin insecurities pagdating sa boses ko, sa kaya kong gawin as a singer. Pero dahil nga mahilig kami sa pamilyang kumanta at bata pa lang ako, ay na-train na akong kumanta, parang feeling ko lang dumating na rin ako sa age na niyakap ko rin yung boses ko. And again, through this film, parang nagkaroon ako ng bagong purpose sa life as a band leader. Wow!
Pero wala pa, hindi pa kayo ready ni David.
Ready na kami.
Gusto mo na, okay na kayo magka-baby kayo.
Opo, pinagpe-pray lang namin kung kailan.
Saan gagawin?
Sorry, wait lang. Sorry, guys.
Kasi kumain kanina.
Hindi rin ako
kumain ka eh.
So sobrang nervous po kasi talaga ako din dahil first time namin itong ginawa sa isang media ko na tumugtog tapos may gitara. Hindi rin ako masyado nakakapag-practice. Pero ayun, parang lutang po ako kasi hindi pa ako kumakain. Sabi ko after na lang ng media ko nakapakain. Kaya sorry po sa kung ano mga nasabi ko.
So ready na nga kayo? Okay
Ready,
ka na,
opo.
ready ka na maging mama?
Yes, parang isa yun sa hinihiling ko rin kay Lord. Pero kung kailan niya ibigay, ayoko naman din kung i-pressure yung sarili ko, i-pressure kaming dalawa ni David. Kasi ang hirap din ng sitwasyon namin na pag-ganon din kami. Pero nananalig ako na kapag dumating yun, si Lord yung nagbigay. So siya nakakaalam kung kailan parating yung order ko.
Thank you, thank you.